Interpreting simple graphs, tables, and pictographs. A graph is a pictorial representation or a diagram that represents data or values in an organized manner. Pictograph and bar graph are a few types of them. A bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. Let's have this example. Mrs. Marcella Jinko, a grade 3 teacher, asked her 40 pupils about their favorite fruit. She showed them pictures of 5 fruits such as apple, grapes, orange, banana and mango to choose from. Each picture of fruit is shown and pupils raise their hands if that is their favorite fruit. When all pictures were shown, Mrs. Jinko showed her pupils answers by using a bar graph. One. How many pupils chose apple? 4 pupils chose apple. 2. How many pupils chose banana? 10 pupils chose banana. 3. How many pupils chose grapes? 6 pupils chose grapes. 4. How many pupils chose mango? 16 pupils chose mango. 5. How many pupils chose orange? 4 pupils chose orange. 6. Which is the most favorite fruit? Mango. 7. What fruits have been chosen by the same number of pupils? Apple and orange. 8. How many more pupils chose mango than banana? 16 pupils chose mango. 10 pupils chose banana. There are 6 more pupils chose mango than banana. 9. How many pupils chose apple, grapes and orange altogether? 4 pupils chose apple. 6 pupils chose grapes and 4 pupils chose orange. There are 14 pupils chose apple, grapes and orange altogether. A pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent an assigned amount of data. Data or values represented by pictures are shown in tables. A legend is an explanation of the symbol or picture used. Do you like vegetables? Miguel likes vegetables. He has a vegetable garden. His garden has carrots, eggplants, okras and tomatoes. He counted his plants as he watered them. There are 15 carrots, 25 eggplants, 30 okras and 20 tomatoes. That night, he drew his plants. There are 15 carrots. I will draw 1 carrot for every 5 carrot plants. I will draw 1 eggplant for every 5 plants of eggplants, 1 okra for every 5 okra plants and 1 tomato for every 5 tomato plants. And this is what Miguel drew. 1. How many carrot plants are there? Miguel drew 3 carrots. Each carrot is equal to 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. There are 15 carrot plants. 2. How many plants of eggplants are there? Miguel drew 5 eggplants. Each is equal to 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. There are 25 plants of eggplants. 3. How many okra plants are there? He drew 6 okras. Each is equal to 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. There are 30 okra plants. 4. How many tomato plants are there? Miguel drew 4 carrots. Each is equal to 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5. Which has the most number of plants? Okra plants. 6. How many more are tomato plants than carrot plants? 20 tomato plants minus 15 carrot plants equals 5 more tomato plants than carrot plants. Activity 1. Refer to the bar graph below and answer the following questions by choosing the letter of the correct answer. 1. What are planted in Lee's garden? A. Banana plants. B. Fruit-bearing trees. C. Herbal plants. D. Ornamental plants. 2. Which has the most number of flowering plants in Lee's garden? A. Orchids plants. B. Rose plants. C. Sampaguita plants. D. Sunflower plants. 3. Which has the least number of flowering plants in Lee's garden? A. Orchids plants. B. Rose plants. C. Sampaguita plants. D. Sunflower plants. 4. How many more rose plants are planted than sunflower? A. 5 rose plants. B. 10 rose plants. Circa 15 rose plants. D. 20 rose plants. 5. How many are the ornamental plants in all? A. 105 plants. B. 90 plants. C. 75 plants. D. 50 plants. Activity 2. Complete the table below by writing the total number of each kind of vegetables planted in Mark's garden. The first one is done for you. Activity 3. Interpret the pictograph by answering the questions that follow. Questions 1. What is the pictograph about? 2. What are the 5 favorite foods of the pupils? 3. How many like the most favorite food? 4. How many pupils like ice cream? 5. How many more pupils like pizza than cheesecake?